This video covers steps for installing your Graco 4Ever family car seat, forward-facing with the vehicle seatbelt and belt lock off. We'll go over step-by-step instructions to help ensure your car seat is installed securely. Before getting started, have your car seat manual and your vehicle manual on hand. And make sure your vehicle is on level ground. Graco supports the American Academy of Pediatrics and National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's car seat guidelines. Please review this information before proceeding. Push the base against the vehicle seat and make sure the car seat base is flat against the vehicle seat. Make sure at least 80% of the car seat base is resting on the vehicle seat. Unhook the top tether strap from storage and place over the front of the car seat for easy access later. Recline the car seat to position 4 or 5. Check your car seat manual for the appropriate position for your child. Store the latch connectors at the front of the car seat. Start by loosening the harness straps. Then raise the headrest up. Unbuckle the chest clip and the buckle. Lift the headrest pad flap up and out of the way. Undo the lower snaps on the seat pad, exposing the back of the car seat. Open the belt lock off. Thread the vehicle seatbelt through the forward-facing belt path, marked with an orange label. Buckle the seatbelt, making sure the seatbelt lies flat and is not twisted. Tighten the seatbelt by pressing down firmly in the center of the car seat and pulling on the shoulder belt. When the seatbelt is tight, close and lock the lock off. Make sure both the lap belt and the shoulder belt are routed under the lock off. Replace the seat pad and move the headrest to the proper position for your child. Next, attach the tether. Extend the tether strap by lifting up on the tether lock and attach to your vehicle. Review your vehicle owner's manual to confirm the correct tether attachment point. Remove all the slack in the top tether strap. Finally, go through this checklist to make sure the installation is correct. Test for tightness. Grab the sides of the seat where the vehicle seatbelt is routed and slide the seat side to side and front to back. The seat shouldn't move more than 1 inch in any direction. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, open the belt lock off and pull on the shoulder belt to remove additional slack. Close the lock off and test again. Repeat until the seat moves less than 1 inch. Check the height of the harness straps. For forward-facing car seats, harness straps should be at or above the child's shoulders. Raise or lower the headrest as needed to ensure the harness is in the right position. Do the pinch test. Tighten the harness strap snugly by pulling on the front adjuster strap. If you can pinch the harness strap at the child's shoulders, the straps are too loose. Check the placement of the chest clip. Once buckled in, ensure the chest clip is at armpit level on your child. Raise or lower as needed. If you have all check marks, then you have a successful installation.